Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. Today we are doing a very yummy recipe, so I'm so excited. I know you are thinking of, oh, what is she going to do that she's so excited? It's all about Oreos again today. Okay, we are making another Oreo recipe. Okay, my kids love Oreos, so I normally make a lot of Oreo recipes. So I have my bowl here and I have some flour. So mainly what we are doing is Oreo waffles ice cream sandwich. It is delicious. You know, I love delicious and yummy recipes. So please follow along and make sure you make this recipe for your kids, or you can make it for loved ones. It's so good that you have to try it. Okay, so what I'm doing, I need to add all my dry ingredients together. So I'll put all the measurements down below. So I have my flour. Okay, I'm making the waffles first. So I have my flour. I have cocoa powder. This is a dark chocolate cocoa powder. All right, and then I have, you know, I normally add this Oreo cocoa powder in my Oreo recipes because it gives it a lot of flavor. So I have that as well. And then my other dry ingredients, I do have some, this is salt, that is baking powder, and this is sugar. I'm adding just a little sugar because the ice cream too has got some sugar in it, so I don't want to overload my recipe with a lot of sugar. So just quite a small bit of sugar I'm using. So it just stir it up and make sure it's well incorporated. So I am going to add the wet ingredients. So guys, with the wet ingredients, I have 2 eggs. Okay, let's pour that in. I have some melted butter. I'll put the measurement down below for you. And then I have some milk. Lots of milk. And then I will add some vanilla extract. Okay. And then I need to just make sure you stir it nicely so that it's well incorporated, and then we can start with our waffles. It's a very lovely recipe, guys, so you need to try this. Okay, it smells so good. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So as you can see, I do love easy recipes. So the last thing I need to add is some crushed Oreos. You cannot do an Oreo waffle without crushed Oreos. It gives it a really lovely Oreo flavor. As you know, I'll mix it nicely. Right guys, so I'm using my waffle maker. I've switched it on. When it's green, I'll just put my butter in and then see how it goes. Right, so our waffle maker is green now, so I need to put my butter in. Right, so we close it and it takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay guys, so we need to check our waffle. That looks so good. Right, so this is our waffles. So we're going to make more waffles, and then afterwards we do the ice cream. guys, so we are making the ice cream. Okay, I have this recipe already on my channel, so you can just follow the recipe on my channel. So guys, in order to make the sandwich, okay, I've got this bowl and I've put some cling film there to cover it. That will be easier to take it out. Okay, and I have my waffles. I've arranged my waffles in there. I cut some of them into half so that it will fit the container perfectly. All right, so this is what I have, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the ice cream right on top of it. You have to try this recipe, guys. It is delicious. Guys, the next bit is to arrange the waffles. Okay. So guys, we've arranged the waffles on top of the ice cream, so I'm going to cover it up with my cling film. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover it and put that in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours, and then you enjoy it afterwards. So guys, this is our Oreo ice cream sandwich. Guys, I know it tastes really delicious. I just took it out of the bowl and I want to cut them. I'm going to cut it. So guys, this is our Oreo waffles ice cream sandwich. Is delicious. I tell you, you can make this for your kids party. You can. This was later. I just didn't put it. I just put it in there for overnight, and I just take it out and I just cut them into small pieces, and it's delicious. Okay, you can do it for family and friends. It's summer, so a lot of ice cream is needed for this hot weather. All right, so if you like this recipe, okay, please do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you'll be notified. I just want you to see the sandwich. It's so good. It's delicious. Okay, so try this recipe, I tell you, and you will love it. All right, take care and may God bless you. And I tell you, there are more ice cream recipes coming. A lot of nice healthy ice cream recipes coming. So do subscribe to my channel, okay, and you will love it. Bye.